Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use the Anthropic SDK to call Claude from your application. The easiest and most reliable way to integrate Claude into your own application is by using the official Anthropic SDK. Rather than manually sending HTTP requests to the API, the SDK handles authentication, request formatting, and communication with Anthropic servers for you. This makes development faster, cleaner, and much less error-prone. In this guide, you'll install the official JavaScript SDK, configure your API key, create a simple application that sends a request to Claude, and verify that everything is working correctly. The first step is to open your terminal. Once your terminal is open, install the official Anthropic JavaScript client library using your JavaScript package manager. Run the installation command that downloads and installs the official SDK into your project. This package provides everything needed to communicate with Claude directly from your JavaScript application. Wait until the installation completes successfully before moving on. Next, you'll need to configure authentication. Still inside your terminal, run the command that sets your Anthropic API authorization token. Replace the placeholder value with your own Claude API key from the Anthropic console. This environment variable allows your application to authenticate securely without hard-coding the API key directly into your source code. Using environment variables is considered the recommended and most secure approach for storing API credentials. After configuring your API key, create a new JavaScript file. Using your terminal, run the command that creates a file named Claude-test.js. This will be the application you'll use to test your connection with Claude. Once the file has been created, open it in your preferred text editor. Now copy and paste the provided JavaScript example into the file. The sample application performs several important tasks automatically. It imports the official Anthropic client package, creates a new client connection using your API key, selects a smart baseline Claude model, builds a structured array of messages, sends those messages to the Claude API, receives Claude's response, displays the result in your terminal. Using structured messages allows you to simulate natural conversations with Claude while keeping your application organized and easy to extend. After pasting the code, save the file. Return to your terminal. Navigate to the directory containing Claude-test.js, if necessary. Then execute the JavaScript application from the command line. When the script runs successfully, it will connect to Anthropic servers, authenticate using your API key, send the sample prompt, receive Claude's response, display the generated output in your terminal. If you receive a successful response, your application has been connected to Claude correctly. To summarize, using the Anthropic SDK begins by opening your terminal and installing the official JavaScript client library with your preferred package manager. Next, configure your environment by setting your Anthropic API authorization token so your application can authenticate securely. After that, create a new file named Claude-test.js and paste in the sample script, which imports the Anthropic client, initializes a connection, selects a suitable Claude model, and sends a structured array of messages to the API. Finally, execute the script from the command line to verify that your application can successfully communicate with Claude. Once your test application is working, you have a solid foundation for building more advanced AI-powered software. The official Anthropic SDK simplifies authentication, request handling, and response processing, allowing you to focus on developing your application's features instead of low-level API communication. By using environment variables to protect your API key and the SDK to manage requests, you'll create applications that are more secure, maintainable, and easier to expand as your projects grow. And that's how to use the Anthropic SDK to call Claude from your application. By installing the official JavaScript SDK, securely configuring your API key, creating a simple test application, and running it from the command line, you'll be ready to integrate Claude into your own web apps, backend services, automation tools, and larger software projects. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.